Hey guys, welcome back to Reviews and How-Tos. I'm Tyler. Today we're going to be checking out this oil diffuser, and it was sent to us by BlueHills for free for us to sample today. Now, I really like this. It has a nice, sleek, slim design, doesn't take up too much room, holds 2.5 liters of water. Overall, it's a really nice product. It works more as an oil diffuser than it does a humidifier. Yes, you get the humidifier results from it, but it doesn't have the extra stuff like something that's built just as a humidifier would. What I mean is it doesn't have like settings on here to where you can set that you want to keep it at a certain level or whatever. You basically just have your high, your low, and then your night, and you operate that right here by pushing this button. It goes to low, so you can see there it's a little bit slower, and then we push it again and it goes to the night function. That turns off all the lights and slows it down just a little bit, and yep, doesn't make very much noise at all, but you're not going to have those lights that might bug you at night when you're trying to sleep. Speaking of those lights, if you hit the little light button right here, it will light up just like this, and those lights will change different colors. And if you want to keep it on one of those colors, all you have to do is hit the light button again, and then it will hold that light. So like right now we have it on blue, but in total there are 7 different colors that it will go through. So pick out your favorite color, or just let it keep on cycling through all those different colors. And then last on here, you do have a timer function. So if you want to set it from 2, 4, or 8 hours, you can do that. All you gotta do is push the little timer button here and it will cycle through. Right there we got 2 hours, and you have 4, 8. And if you don't set that, it'll just stay on continuously. And then it's really easy to add your oils to this. We'll just take this top off here really fast. And remember, you're adding this oil to all of this water, so you need to add a few more drops than normal. Instructions says like 12 to 15 drops. Rather than just a few drops like you would do on like those humidifiers that have pads on them, or just a standard small one of these diffusers. And then after you do that, all you have to do is place this back on the top, just like that. And then this thing up here does swivel all the way around, complete 360, so you can have this pointed wherever you want this to disperse at. Great product, like I said, easy to maintain. Once a week, just take it apart, especially if you live in a part of the United States or in the world where you have hard water, such as you're operating off of a well. You'll definitely need to run this through, clean it, put some vinegar on there to make sure that you don't have a large calcium buildup. That's going to help maintain this for a long time. Overall, like I said, great product. I think that's pretty much everything there is to cover about this. So go ahead and check it out.